What's up, everyone? As you can tell, it is currently raining and snowing here in Virginia, but me and Michael are going to help our friend Travis get his Skyline back. And this is probably not the safest car to do it in, but that's all we got. What's up?
Chesapeake.
Chesapeake.
Great Neck and Chesapeake is.
Great Neck's oceanfront.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm thinking of a different neck then.
What neck you thinking about?
I went like this and it fucking still caught it and went in, wheel fucking grabbed the fender, was like skirt.
How deep was it?
Deep enough, fucking Virginia.
Yeah.
And it fucking did it. I fucking was driving to work and it was pulling hard left. I was like, fuck, what the hell did I fuck up?
Yeah. Did you ever get your door plate fixed?
Yep. This happened fucking a week after.
Oh, that'd be good. And it's black in the rain. Really good.
Where are you gonna park? Jesus.
Put your hazards on?
Yeah.
Fucking ops are out today.
That's an op, that's an X1.
No, I'm talking though. The ops is out today. No, I guess there's a little bit of room in the medium. I'm not gonna get. Yeah, you get fucking stuck on that anyway.
You mean a lot of room, bitch?
Yeah, right.
Get me out!
Oh yeah. Sorry. You got a car coming.
Close the door then.
Yeah, I'll wait.
He's like, what are these people doing?
You're probably about used to it by now, I think, too.
How people always do this?
Here, you know. I mean, thank God for this little median area. Perfect.
Dude, Bernie! Oh, pussy.
He's like, I'm out.
I get as much as I could.
Oh.
A whole bunch. So I measured it both out with my with the fender roller, and did the work and the metal work from there.
Oh, my bad.
So you got tons of room over here. Like you can fit almost your whole hand in this one. They're both measured out about the same, but that side's just a hair tighter. So
Yeah,
that's
I don't know
it.
what my cameras are at. They didn't give me a sheet for alignment.
I mean, it's not too bad. It looks like it's like maybe like 3.5 on both sides, you know. But I could be wrong because that side looks like it might be 4.
So much better.
Oh yeah, right. I was like, that side's still super tight. I was like,
Hopefully they don't catch it again.
oh, it won't catch it again. If it rubs, it still won't take it out anymore. I welded a whole piece of rebar like edge to that edge, so it would never buckle again. It will buckle the whole fender first.
Sick.
No, they like rub-tastic now, if you need it to be.
Shit,
But,
wear the tire down, I'm good to go.
you know?
Really?